farmers are also now looking forward and moving beyond the traditional way of predicting the weathers. Earlier what they used to do, because the Prime Minister has also mentioned that they used to look above and predict that, well, there will be a rainfall or not, whether they have to grow their crops or not. But now AI is bringing something that will help them predict what will happen the next day or in the coming days too. So this is the Panchang intelligence, which has been brought up by the Tech Mahindra, and will directly go to the Nikhil to understand about this particular project model that they have brought. Nikhil, thank you so much once again. So could you please elaborate what it is and how it is going to help the farmers?
Yeah, no. So I think, Aju, first and foremost, when I met the Prime Minister, one of the other things that he also said is that in his own characteristic, that Hamara Kisan abhi bhi, looks at old mechanisms to actually sow some seeds. Why can we do something as a model? मज़ेदार बात यह है that this has got nothing to do with AI, by the way. We did a research about 3-4 years back where we actually looked at Panchang all across the country. So every part of the country, north, south, east, west, follows a certain pattern of Panchang. So there is Date Panchang in Maharashtra, there is some other Panchang in Hyderabad, there is Panchang that goes in New Delhi or whatever, the north part. So we picked up Panchang and we created a kind of algorithm to see how well that the data can be predicted for precipitation, because rainfall is probably the most important criteria for an agrarian society. And this is what came out as a result of it. So now what we are doing and using this system, and we are honing it and testing it over and over again, is how do we look at a space or a place, how do we find out from, and we have named it PI, our Panchang intelligence, and how do we get prediction from Panchang in terms of what we are doing. For example, Panchang has only 3 mechanisms. If you have sunny or light rain between 0 to 16 mm, you'll get only one value. You'll get medium rain at some and you'll get heavy rain. Interestingly, when I was here yesterday, somebody asked me, "Kal barish hogi?" And fortunately, it was showing rain tomorrow, and I was quite skeptical whether ye barish kar bhi ho bhi payegi ki nahi. But when I woke up in the morning, my first reaction was, yes, great, there is rain, and we probably predicted it right in terms of what to do. So we are bringing this kind of technology. Why is it important and good for farmers? Is because it's related to what they've been doing. And it's not kind of a jargonized way of telling them as to what has happened. If I put something on an AI mode at least, right, and I try and predict and do that, sometimes in order to explain your concept to a layperson becomes very, very difficult. कि इसके पीछे AI चलता है, कुछ तो करेगा ये AI और आपका prediction आ जाएगा. This is exactly what they've been doing for centuries now in India. So we're just bringing that old science in the form of algorithms so that they can understand it much, much better in terms of what to do.
But Nikhil, there is one more barrier, because how this is going to reach to the farmers? Is there any training that is being given how to use this, or how you are reaching to the farmers?
So we will start now reaching to the farmers. We had earlier tried from Friends of Farmers kind of a view where they can reach out. We will now start looking at it in a better way. One of the things that we are saying is we make it very simple for the farmer to do. We don't need, obviously they would not open machines like this. They would not have internet. They would probably have a phone, and they would probably be able to speak into it only. I don't think their hands also allow them to use the phone the way that to do that. So that's our next approach, where we are actually bringing it on a phone in a kind of voice-based mechanism. And again, because Indus was built in a dialect, we are also trying to bring that dialect. Hogi. Mere yahan pe kya hoga? If they do that, they should be able to get a very seamless result in one screen. You should not have scrollings on the screen and so on. So that design is currently on.
How many days it predicts, it shows the the weather conditions?
Panchang is supposed to predict for 3 months in advance, right? and even greater, because that is what the Indian Agrarian Society does. We actually predict, we sow seeds, and we actually look at it in terms of 3 to 6 months. It is supposed to do that. So we are still testing with a lot of data in terms of this, and we should be able to bring out something.
Okay, thank you so much. So definitely, the innovations are being brought to make the life of the farmers easier, because they are the Annadata and they are the most crucial part of the economy, in fact, for the India. I'm Arzu Said, video journalist Dinesh for NewsX in Delhi.